Be ready? Start. As far as the first postponement of Punjab election is concerned, stop. According to the Commission, it is on the basis of the recommendation of the Home Minister, stop. So the Honorable Member who was then in the Home Ministry should have known that it was postponed at the instance of the Home Ministry, stopped. These three postponements and also the other reasons should be taken into consideration when we think of electoral reforms, stop. In this election, one factor which has come out prominently is booth capturing lawlessness and the ballot papers being taken away, stop. These things must be seriously considered, stop. Sir, the government from the very beginning has been thinking of electoral reforms and has also done so many things, stop. A number of committees have been appointed, stop. Recently, the previous government also appointed a committee, stop, and it was a unanimous decision, stop, stanza. Depending upon this, some bills were introduced to amend the Constitution and the Representation of the People Act, stop. All the bill were moved by one minister who is not present here. Unfortunately for the amendment of the Constitution and the Representation of People Act, stop, to have been passed, but the other three bills are pending before the House, stop. Sir, we want to pursue those bills but not immediately, stop. We must get the report of the elections from the states and also the election commission, stop. We have to go deep into the matter before enacting laws, stop. After receiving the reports, we must go deep into the matter, stop, over. Dictation from general matter 250 words at the speed 100 WPM.